work on something and accomplish what you set out to accomplish with that project, and to leave knowing that what you did made something better, it's the same as an artist painting a painting. An artist might paint something 10 times before they get it to where they feel like it's what they want. It's the same feeling. It really is.
We are constantly in the works of creating the next best thing.
When I came here for the interview and saw what it was like, this is where I wanted to be. The most exciting thing for me is being a part of a team that builds a world-class product for our customer.
We have different varieties of products, we have different locations, so depending on what your interest is in your future, you can actually go from one plant to the other one with us. You can even go international if you want to.
I see the opportunities at ZF. I see that the upward mobility at ZF. I see the ability to kind of go at any direction that I choose.
As an intern, I do real work for real people and real bosses.
I started working on the line, then I became a supervisor, and then I applied for a quality engineering job. I became a quality engineer, then a senior quality engineer.
If you like changing motherboard, if you're a gamer, there's a lot of technical things you can do here. There's an endless supply of things to tinker with here.
Developing skills, engineering skills, mechanical skills, electrical skills is still extremely important. We are looking for those people.